Here's a wild fact. The moon is moving away from Earth at about 3.8 centimeters per year, and that tiny drift means total solar eclipses will not last forever.
Wait, only 3.8 centimeters a year? That sounds incredibly small. How can something that minor erase total eclipses?
Because totality depends on a very fragile coincidence. The sun is about 400 times wider than the moon, but it is also about 400 times farther away. From Earth, both appear almost the same size in the sky, roughly half a degree across.
So that near-perfect match is why the moon can fully cover the sun and reveal the corona.
Exactly, but as the moon slowly recedes, its apparent size shrinks. In roughly 600 million years, its average angular diameter will fall below the sun's average. After that, no more true total solar eclipses, only annular ring of fire eclipses and partial eclipses.
And we know that 3.8 centimeter number from real measurements, not just a model?
Yes, Apollo 11 astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin left retroreflectors on the moon in 1969. Later Apollo missions and the Soviet Lunokhod rovers added more. Observatories such as Apache Point in New Mexico and the Côte d'Azur station in France fire lasers at them and time the returning photons to within a few picoseconds, with ranging precision down to millimeters.
That is unbelievably precise. So what is physically pushing the moon away?
Tidal friction. The moon's gravity raises ocean bulges on Earth, and Earth's rotation drags those bulges slightly ahead of the moon. That transfers angular momentum from Earth's spin to the moon's orbit. As a result, Earth's day lengthens by about 1.7 milliseconds per century, and the moon gains orbital energy and spirals outward.
Has the moon always been at today's distance?
No. The moon likely formed about 4.5 billion years ago, and early on it was only around 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers away. Back then, it would have looked enormous, and eclipses would not have resembled the modern kind at all. Today it is about 384,400 kilometers away, which is why we get this sweet spot.
So humans are living in a pretty special window.
Exactly. Total eclipses seen by Babylonian astronomer. The 585 BCE eclipse linked to the Battle of Halley's, Halley's 1715 map across England, Eddington's 1919 relativity test from Principe, the 2024 North American eclipse, and the 2026 path across Iceland and Spain all happen inside this temporary window.
Temporary on a cosmic scale, but not exactly urgent for us.
Right. The best estimate is somewhere between 500 million and 800 million years left, depending on oceans, continents, and tidal resonance. That is the point. Totality feels timeless, but it has a beginning, a middle, and an end, and we happen to live in the late middle.